My name is Ian Christopher Hammond. I'm from Wisconsin. I heard about Golpa through my family dentist, and the moment I went on the website, it really was eye-opening, because it wasn't just one testimonial, it was multiple testimonials of people from every walk of life. And that's what I really like, because from, I would say, about 16 years old, I dealt with teeth problems, from missing teeth to, rotten teeth or broken teeth. And then I just came to a point in my life that I knew I wanted to do something about it, and I didn't want dentures. So with that being said, I felt like Golpa was my best opportunity at having a full smile, and little did I know it was above and beyond anything that I ever expected. From the staff, from people who email you, to the nurses and assistants and dentists that work here, Dr. T and everybody else, they did an amazing job just making me feel calm. And look at it now. Look at me now. Just, I don't know. I feel like I'm getting a little emotional talking about it, but I've come a long way in the last 5 months of my journey, and it is by far my best investment in life to date. I tell everybody I can about it. If anybody asks me any questions whatsoever, I'm more than helpful to answer any questions that they have. But the process is extremely simple here. The people care. There's real passion in the work, and you can tell. It's not just get you in, get you out. They're very attentive to your needs, and just the first time I came for a consultation, the way they made me feel, and everybody else that was in the waiting room that had the procedure, they were super, it almost felt like it was a family. It felt like a family. And that, from that point, that was pretty much it. That's when I decided to go through with it, and I haven't looked back since. It was a life-changing experience for me, from talking to my girls, or, talking to family, just being able to talk to people face to face and not having that issue of, having bad teeth. But when people see me now, they're just like, wow, Ian, look at your smile. And it just, I can't explain it. My self-confidence is through the roof. But by far my best investment. But I would recommend anybody that is looking for this type of procedure to definitely give Golpa a chance. At least come in here and do the consult. You won't regret it. And I say to anybody out there that's looking into this, give me a call. Call me, text me, FaceTime me, ask me any questions you want. I'm an open book on this. I am all for the Golpa experience right now, for sure. This is, I don't know. You can't put a price on self-confidence and just overall well-being. It is, I can't even explain it. It's a great experience, it really is. But if you have any questions, reach out, give me a call, text. I'll answer all your questions.